Hello investors, Autonomix medical went up over 43% in one day. The price boomed in recent days, as you can see, from $5 to over $7, more than a double, 127%, and then the price started to go down. Maybe you remember my past video about Autonomix medical and also my prediction. Here you can see that I have a list with all my predictions so far, and I said when I made my last video about this company that from $19 back then when I made the video, the price will go down from this level in the long term due to dilution. And look what happened. Down over 63%. That's why I said not yet. You don't have an advantage. And now more recently, price went up. How much? Yes, over 127%. Amazing performance, but still down a lot from my last prediction. So what should you do right now? Buy more or sell it? Well, to give you again my prediction about this company short, I'll maintain it. Yes, I will maintain it. From $19 when I said the price will go down, yes, happened, and my prediction came true. Of course, not yet means don't touch it. You don't have an advantage. So far, if you listen to me, you avoided this huge loss. Now, from this level, $7, can the price rebound? Is it worth listening to my predictions? Because here I have all the predictions. And if I select here a filter with the buy and downs, look here. When I said buy, prices went up. Buy, down. Yes, some of them haven't make it so far, but they're about to make it. Buy up, buy down a little, buy up, amazing performance, then buy up, buy up, buy up. So you can see that when I say buy, sooner or later the price will go up. And when I say down, look here, prices go down. Look at the performance. And you can check this prediction, all my videos that I made. Then my last prediction will buy, price already up 2.4%. Amazing return. And by the way, if you really want far better investment ideas, the next prediction that where you have low risk, upside, more than 99% a double, where you have 3x, 5x, here my portfolio and top free stocks to invest in. Here you find the best investment ideas. If you are interested, simply go to my profile, press join, YouTube profile, press join, scroll down and choose Titan Investors, where you have access to my portfolio, see my past transactions. Same thing, you have transparency, you see everything I bought and I sold. And on top of that, you get guidance 24/7, where I help you. If you have other companies, you don't know when to buy and get out, you ask me and I'll help you. That's why I was able to achieve this great performance. Compound annual growth rate 30%, more than 30%. And still is booming. The new companies I bought up already. So see you there if you really want to improve your returns. Now, going back to this company, Autonomix Medical, pre-market you already see a decline of 9%, 9.7%. Maybe if you wonder why the price is going down right now. Well, the answer is simple. Always check the market cap, $6.9 million, so great. You know that this company, if you here to go to the profile, read about it, is a clinical stage, in the clinical stage medical company. Here, medical devices. They tell you here what they do, development of stage medical device company focuses on advanced technology for sensing and treating disorders of nervous system. Okay, microchip, okay. Now, here is the problem. If you look at their revenue for this company, it's easy to predict. I mean, the price was easy to predict the decline, the stock price. Look here, revenue, no revenue. They have no revenue, right? First thing. And then you have to ask yourself, how can they fund their business? How do they pay their employees? How do they pay for R&D? How do they pay for their offices? How do they pay for marketing? How do they do that? Well, by issuing shares to the public market, a retail investor like us, they buy it, we buy it, they take our money and invest in their business with the hope to deliver some revenue in the future and profits. But so far, nothing. And here is the trick. The more shares they issue, because if you check the number of shares of this company, the more you lose in value. Unless the revenue goes up a lot and they make a profit. Shares outstanding history. Look here. Don't have it here. Maybe here. Now, let's go to their website because here no, don't find it. Events and presentation. It exactly on their press release. So it's look like events and presentation. No, you don't have it here. Leadership analyst, SEC filings. SEC, in fact. SEC, quarter results. This is the key, the fundamental, the source you can trust, not other websites. And you go on their income statement. Here you see no revenue, only expenses. And here you can see the number, let me make it larger, the number of outstanding shares. You see here the last quarter, Q1 26 and previous year 25. You see an increase from 147 to 543. Here we have more than a double. And as I said, every time you have a double in the number of shares, you lose more than 50% in the value of the stock price and value of the company. And price went up here because main reasons. Market cap small, 6.9 million. They announced here entrance into 4.9 million warrant inducement priced at a premium to market. They priced that warrant at a higher price than the current stock price. And that, when they had this infusion, market saw that they also plan to issue other warrants at a higher price, $6. Market saw that as a short-term opportunity. And every time when you have a low market cap and they just buy it, you have some buyers, price jumps because you also have short sellers. Price goes up, they are forced to buy back their shares and you have this spiral effect. You have the first buyers, the short sellers are forced to buy back the shares they shorted and price goes up like this. But here is the thing, in the long term, price goes down because they will issue more shares and already have a decline over 46% from its highest peak. And yes, from this level, the price will continue to go down. You already see pre-market. So this, again, if I give you my prediction for Autonomix Medical, again, price will decline from this level. So again, I maintain my prediction here where it was here. The price will go down from this level in the long term due to dilution. So I made this video 1, 2, 3. Go back 3 videos and you'll see. Recently I made this prediction and look what huge decline happened. Same for INQ. Man, this is amazing. I mean, if you look at all my predictions, almost all of them came true. And this can save you a lot of money, so you don't lose money. And at the same time, you can make a lot of money. Look here, high returns, high returns, high returns. Amazing performance. Again here, high returns. Again here, high returns, high returns. So you can avoid lose money and at the same time make a lot of money. If you listen to, if you watch my videos, if you pay attention to the risk and buy the right ones. And what's even better is that you can buy far, far greater companies than these ones. Here in my portfolio and top free stocks. See you there if you really want to make a lot of money, become a millionaire. In 1 year, if you have a certain amount of money, you can make $1 million in 1 year. Start with 100K, you can make $1 million. See you there, here, Titan Investor Level 2, choose it.